Well, the best welder in this shop is me. It always is. It always. Friendly competition every day, every day. My name is Ty Kim Hopkins. I go by Ty. I've been here 2.5 years, and I'm a welder in the weld shop, a rebuild center.
So at the rebuild facility, we take end-of-life machines and give them a new life. So there's multiple different ways we can do that. My name is Taylor Baird. I've been with Carter for 7 years, and I'm currently the machine rebuild supervisor.
When the rebuilds are tore down, we generally get all of the components that's going to need welding, machining, line boring, broke bolts, refab, all of that kind of stuff comes to the weld shop. Kevin Thomas, been with Carter Machinery. This is my 28th year. I was in the field line boring welding service for roughly 26.5 years. I come down here to the Salem Rebuild Center to be an MTA and help with the line boring.
It's just something that I kind of not really grew into. When I started, I never really even thought about welding. And I went to college for about 2 or 3 years. I got my certificate. And I just got into it, and I loved it ever since.
Carter's always growing, right? Our weld shop's constantly growing. We do have a lot of on-the-job training, so a lot of the guys here had other welding experience when they came in. Obviously, maybe not 25 years welding on CAT equipment, but they've come in and we have some experienced technicians that'll walk them through how to do some of these techniques that we do here.
At the Carter Rebuild Center, we have 7 welders working right now. We run 2 shifts during the week, and we have a weekend shift. They pretty much touch every machine that comes through the Rebuild Center.
My favorite part about the job is my co-workers, my management, just to get to know everything each and every day, just certain things. Everything's different every day. Let's get to work.
Now let's get to work.
Let's get to work.